Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to launch or set up a YouTube ad campaign. Before getting started, you must have fill up the requirement. You should have a budget, target location, YouTube video links, also ad copy. So I'm just collecting my YouTube video link from my channel and then I will use on my campaign. Here I'm going to my channel and find out my video. Okay, so here home page and only one video. Just copy this one.
Do you want to see how SEO
And I'm going to paste this link. Okay, maybe I need to okay, then I'm going to my ad account. So here first of all click the create a campaign, then click the lead option, then here you can see my submit lead form. Okay, then click the continue option and here you can see select campaign type. Just click the video option. If you click the video option, then go to the next option. Okay, write a campaign name. So I'm writing my first YouTube ad campaign. Okay, and my target location is Florida and maximum is conversion. My daily budget is 15. Okay, then I am select search YouTube Google partner site links. We must add site links. Okay, and I will add another video in site links and we have to write a conversion name. Okay, so just I am writing first ad group. Then add an audience. Here you can say I already have a YouTube audience and LTQC audience, so I just click YouTube ad audience. Okay, then we have to paste our video link. Then I have paste and now I need to write and we need final URL. So I will provide us, contact us, just paste here YouTube link. Oh sorry, we need to book now. Okay, and paste here. Then we need to add headline. We can another call to action. So just a minute, I will as learn more. I will use learn more. Okay, then we need to add a headline. So SEO mastery your online guide. Okay, I will add this one. Maybe it will be okay. And then SEO strategies that drive result. this is increase visibility and conversion. This one is perfect. Okay, increase visibility right here, grow. We will use and okay. Learn more, already we use. We use start now. We use sign up now. We will use apply now. Okay, now we need to add YouTube headline. Okay, long headline. Maximize your ROI with effective result. Okay, we'll add another one, expert issue service. Okay, then we will add description, struggling, attract organic traffic. Okay, this one will be okay, perfect. Then I will use another, drive online sales. Paste here. Okay, everything is fine. Now I'm going to upload a create a campaign, and finally our campaign is going to publish now. Okay, so continue to overview, and our campaign is active. So hopefully you understand how can I create a campaign very easily. So in this video you understand everything that will help you. So that will help you to grow your business using YouTube ad strategy. So if you like this video, please like and comment and share my video. Thank you so much for watching this video.